Hi, my name is Jose Fernandez. In this video I would like to show you how to make a policy in conditional access for block legacy authentication. So okay, the first thing we need to do is go into Microsoft 365 Admin Center, Identity. This is my tenant. Okay, conditional access, policies, new policy. Here is lab block legacy okay, users. I want to put my test labs user. Okay, exclude is my current user. Okay, the global admin. In target, okay, was that one. Conditioning cleanups was configured, yes, everything. Okay, here is block access and select report only. This is for the policy. Okay, report only is don't do anything, just to show you if it's working or not. On is to allow the policy, and off is disabled. Okay, so create. Okay, perfect. Okay, this is the policy. Okay, and now we need to try if it's working or not. The user, for example, test labs is my user. Include apps, select. For example, exchange. Okay. Platform Windows, client browser, and I don't know if it's working. Yep. Block access, report only, perfect, it's working. So the best. And now I want to show you if it's not working with the global administrator. Okay. Same one. Exactly, it's not working for global administrator because it's excluded on the policy. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you.